So guys, today I'm going to be opening 1,000 coins in space and 1,000 coins in ice monster. So ready? Let's get going. Why is it alien? I'm not lying, like that was my fifth pack.
I don't know. I think it's an alien
UFO. UFO. Stars.
Well, we'll get it when we get a chance. I can't make it. Would you like your pig? No.
Okay, so checking in right now. We're at like 300 coins. Planet. It's pretty lucky. I want to like a legendary alien. No, not alien, like a legendary. Or come looks like a planet. So 368. Oh! So like 168 left. Oh! Chroma! 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 Oh! 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 Oh my gosh! That was my second to last pack too.
I don't really care for the frosted.
Dang. That. So this is what we got.
Like lemon sorbet and stuff. Yeah, I do too. But for some reason,
And we got the brown astronaut. How much does it sell for?
more like
I'm gonna do 1,000 coins for space now. I mean ice pack.
Yeah, so that surprised me. I think, and I didn't like that.
Chroma on the second try. What the heck? What the heck? This is Audrey. Chroma. Chroma.
Okay.
Chroma.
I'll just let you yell over me to order your stuff.
How did I do that? Like, there's no shot at it. Like I have never been this lucky in my life. Like, how?
Did Caleb take his iPad to my soccer game?
No, he stole my phone during the game.
Did you? I don't know. Like, Chroma, second, like, no cap. You saw it. No, like, no lies. Now I'm just back to bad luck.
You have 20.5, right?
Who are you talking about?
Caleb. I'm looking at 20.5.
Hi, Jane. I'd like the
Well, no
chicken
legendaries.
strip 4-count meal with a half lemonade, half Dr. Pepper.
How? So we have like 100 coins left. Ooh.
I don't blame you.
All right. So
And can we get some Polynesian sauce?
let's see which one had better luck. Hold on.
The nuggets, the 8
So 2 legendaries versus 4 legendaries.
and then a number 1 on the multi-grain bun
Wow.
with no pickles.
How did I do that?
Diet Coke.
Okay, so vote in the comments which one you thought was best.